hello. Different view, isn't it, this one? I'll just do an action shot. One more.
Oh.
So.
Sorry.
That went nicely in. See that? So it did cut off a bit abruptly on the last one, and it did look like a proper cliffhanger. I watched it back, and then it just stopped, and I was at the roof, so it you know, kept your and obviously the cliffhanger is now over. I'm here, I'm alive, I'm well. It is, you know, now it's distributed well, the weight. The only trouble with buying, not buying sheets.
Frankie, don't go up the ladder, please.
Stay down there, darling.
Don't go up the ladder.
Alright? The trouble with not buying sheets is, well, this, really, because it's all a mishmash of pieces I'm using up, so it's not consistent. It's going to be like almost triple wrapped in waterproof, so it's, and then it's got the cladding on top, so it's going to be, you know, very watertight. Don't get me wrong, I'm not going to leave great big gaps like this. I'm going to put like a nice piece of wood in that gap, for example. But it's, you know, I'm confident now. I'm getting some pieces across it, but it is pretty, you know. There's a couple of like glossy, these are old cupboard doors.
Hang on, I think
So,
Frankie's getting shut up.
No. What are you watching?
I was just checking. I think Frankie's going in now. Yeah, she is.
Actually, it's nice when you are at the house. Like, the viewers don't get usually, but
Thank you.
Put the camera across Selsley there. Just put the camera across Selsley.
Yeah, it's lovely, isn't it?
Up there. So we're quite lucky where we live.
Yeah.
But I'm happier now. When you first filmed it, I was just sort of, there was no wood on the roof, but now it's on. I'm happy. It's alright. So and then I'm just gonna, in the morning, I was up to finish it today actually, but like I keep saying, you know, you put the hours in, it takes, it's taken, and also given what I'm doing today, it's about just pacing yourself really. That's a big thing I want to get across. It's been very blooming dangerous, it has been really. But it's really hot.
Yeah, but no.
It's also it's dangerous as well as hot, so you've got to take the time to get dehydrated. You've got to take, you know, take breaks, bring water up with you or whatever. Just take it easy, because I feel very lucky I haven't fell through the bugger. But yeah, I'm alright now, really. A little bit disappointed that, you know, I was hoping to sort of do this next part where the roof was and excuse my dress, you know, but given the weather, you've got to do this really. But tomorrow I'm very confident the roof will be on. Kids having a good time, everyone's out in the gardens doing stuff. So yeah, we're close there, but I just wanted to do part two as a, you know, because it did end a bit abruptly really, the last one, but no accidents, all good. So I'm off work for the week, that's why I'm doing a lot of this week. But I will put another one up each day probably as we progress, but I'm, you know, once this is done, we can really get inside and start insulating it, doing all the exciting stuff. So subscribe, we've got 4 subscribers, so make it 5 speeds.